app or checked your bank statement online, then you're already part of a multi-billion-dollar industry. It's called Fintech, and it's changing economies around the world. Fintech is short for financial technology. Seems simple, right? Well, the term fintech includes a huge range of products, technologies, and business models that are changing the financial services industry. It refers to everything from cashless payments to crowdfunding platforms to robo-advisors to virtual currencies. So every time you donate to someone's Kickstarter campaign, that's fintech. Or if you transfer money to someone using Venmo, that's also fintech. And that's just the beginning. Here at a major fintech conference in Amsterdam, hundreds of companies are trying to disrupt the banking and finance industries by changing the way we pay and borrow money. And investors are buying it. Global investment in the fintech sector has added up to nearly $100 billion since 2010. In 2017 alone, fintech investment surged 18%. Startups focusing on payment and lending technologies received the majority of those funds. It's not just startups that are getting into fintech. Some of the world's biggest companies, from Apple to Alibaba, are going big on it too. Just think of Apple Pay or Alipay. One reason for all of this investment, consumers are adopting fintech fast. 1 out of every 3 people across 20 major economies report using at least 2 fintech services in the last 6 months. China and India are leading the way, with more than half of consumers using services like money transfers, financial planning, borrowing, and insurance. Financial technology has filled a void for people around the world who don't have access to traditional banking services. In fact, it's estimated nearly 2 billion people worldwide are without bank accounts. Now, thanks to fintech.
Hello, everyone. Look at this. Look at my shirt. Yeah, change lives. I change lives. That's what I do 24/7. That's what I do. All right. So with that saying, all right, right here. All right, let me say hello to all of our friends. If you are watching us for the first time, my name is Saranice, Coach Saranice. I am a financial coach. I change lives. As a registered nurse, my background is in nursing. I love changing lives, but I don't just do it in a hospital. I do it outside the hospital. So I change lives 24/7. I'm always investing and pouring into people. But it's not about me today. It's all about you. So quick question for you. How would you like to start your own fintech company or your own fintech business for only $1? You heard me right. $1. $1. So let me share with you how you can start your business for $1. If you're watching this in the month of March and April, yes, you're part of it. But if it's outside those this time frame, March and April of 2025, then you miss it. Okay. Now you remember how when Bitcoins used to be, when crypto first started and Bitcoins used to be $1.28. Yeah, it used to be that. And knowing what you know now, if you had the opportunity, this is a serious question. If you had the opportunity, knowing what you know now, would you have invested in Bitcoin like when it was, or when it used to be $1.28? I'm sure you would say yes. All right, so let's jump right into this. I'm gonna share with you today what some of our top leaders are saying about this amazing opportunity.
OMG, listen, this 14-day challenge is everything. We're talking about FreedomPath has made it simple for me to be able to go out here and 10x my income in just little as 14 days. We're talking about 2 weeks to be able to go out here and capitalize and earn a huge income, making a big impact. So my question to you is, why haven't you started the challenge? Like, you need to get on this challenge today. Get your business. All you do is plug in, and then once you plug in, you got access to all the tools, the resources, the leadership, the training, everything you need to be able to literally become profitable. So you pay today, you play today, and put yourself in position to get paid, all right? Join the 14-day challenge if you haven't already done so.
What's going on? This is Kevin Blake, better known as Coach Kev. I launched my business in 14 days. I didn't know what to do, but I was equipped with a website, marketing material, and the training from top leaders in this company. Now I got a big business and I make residual income on a monthly basis. FreedomPath is the truth. Now I want to share something with you. It's important for you to launch your business in the next 14 days. Start the challenge. I'll see you on the other side.
What's up, everyone? It's your girl, Chelsea Conley, the Millennial Boss. I launched my business with FreedomPath, and they gave me everything that I needed. The training, the tools, the resources, whatever I needed, it was here. And now I have a successful, strong business with regular reoccurring income. So it works. FreedomPath is the future. Take the challenge. Launch your own future in just 14 days, and you're going to love it here.
All right. Now you just saw what some of our top leaders are saying about this challenge, this opportunity, and how they took advantage of it. Now I want you to, give me or donate me a few more minutes of your time, because I want you to hear directly from our CEO, our founder. His name is Ryan Ragland. He's the CEO, and he's gonna lay it all out for you in just a few minutes. He's gonna lay it all out how you yourself can take advantage into this challenge and start your own fintech business for just what? $1. You get that right, $1. So here we go with Mr. Ragland.
The future of finance and fintech. And a very special 14-day challenge. My name is Ryan Ragland. I'm one of the co-founders here at FreedomPath, and I'm the president. And tonight's call, guys, we are going to be talking about the future of financial services with FreedomPath. See, FreedomPath is a fintech company or financial technology. And what financial technology is really any technology that bridges the gap between financial services and the people who need them. It's the integration of technology into offerings by financial service companies just like ours to improve their use and delivery to consumers. Now, this market is absolutely booming. The global fintech market is projected to grow to 700 billion. You heard that right, 700 billion with a B by 2030. And this growth is really driven by demand for easier, faster, and more accessible financial solutions because the traditional financial system has not met the needs of so many people. This is a massive opportunity for financial technology to be able to bridge that gap. We are revolutionizing financial services, making it easier for people in underserved communities to get access to the technology, the tools, and the financial resources that they need. And people need these services now in 2025 in modern America more than ever. Guys, look at these startling statistics. 64% of Americans right now are living paycheck to paycheck, and less than 40% of Americans could cover an unexpected $1,000 expense. I mean, that is crazy to think about, that most families in America are a couple of popped tires away from financial ruin. 43 million Americans have a credit score of under 600. And this is directly from the CFPB. So those people who are living paycheck to paycheck, and if they had a $1,000 expense pop up, not only would they be facing financial ruin, but they wouldn't even have access to credit to cover those funds that are needed in an emergency. Look at this one, 57%. That's more than half, guys, of U.S. adults are financially unhealthy, meaning they struggle with paying bills or saving money or managing debt or utilizing credit in a wise and smart way. And 66% of Americans, guys, that's 2/3, 66% of Americans could not pass right now a basic financial literacy test. And this is going to ask them questions about interest rates, inflation, investment returns, etc. This is a scary place for us to be in, for our friends to be in, for our family members to be in. And financial technology is here to bridge that gap and give people access to the tools, technology, and resources that they need. So a little bit about FreedomPath. We're still very much a startup, and that's an important word in the fintech world. We are still a startup founded in 2022, and we're led by a team of industry veterans, myself, our co-founder, Mr. Kevin Carroll, our Chief Revenue Officer, Chet Seeley, and everybody else here in the corporate office. We have a combined over 150 years experience in financial services, technology, and really just helping people. We're proud to say we're 100% debt-free and privately owned. Privately owned is very important because that means we answer to nobody except for our users and our distributors. And we're on a mission. We're on a mission to help 1 million people in America find financial freedom through technology and education. Now, we do this by disrupting the financial services model. So you'll see here on your screen kind of what it looks like for the traditional financial services model. So you have regular banks and fintechs, and they're still leveraging the power of good old internet, maybe print, maybe radio, maybe TV, advertising. The problem with those modern day advertising tactics is that they focus on core demographics that they want to provide their service to. It's not equal, it's not equitable, it's not easily accessible, and it leaves so many people in America underserved or unserved at all. See, here at FreedomPath, we cut out the TV and internet advertising, and we partner with people just like you to bring technology and financial services to customers who need those services. We call it our independent broker business model, where we empower people to earn by helping others. Our goal here is to provide equal and equitable access to financial services and to create income opportunities for others to help others. And we have an entire suite, kind of runs the gamut here, of financial technologies and financial services, starting with Freedom Wealth, where you're able to control your financial future. Freedom Wealth is our flagship software. This is an all-in-one wealth and credit management platform. Inside of Freedom Wealth, you have things like estate planning, will and trust, our AI credit rehabilitation system. You have access to global discounts and travel club and over 60 different reports and calculators for people to make wise financial decisions. Moving down, we have Freedom Pay, our brand new merchant processing solution for small business owners. It allows people to accept money from their clients and to really build and scale their business. Then we have Freedom BCA, or Business Credit Academy, guys. This platform is so robust. It takes anybody, regardless of where they're at in their business cycle, from startup to scale, and empowers them to build a business credit profile separate from their personal credit profile and start getting access to capital. We have over 3,000 lenders and vendors and partners in the Business Credit Academy. Then we have Freedom Health, guys. Healthcare is one of the most expensive things that a modern American family will have to deal with. And Freedom Health is an affordable alternative to traditional healthcare. I got to say, me personally, myself, my wife, my 5 children, we've been on Freedom Health since its inception, and it's been absolutely a godsend. Then we have Freedom Funding. This is our business funding solutions technology and platform where our partners are able to submit business funding applications. Our system then matches, based on 174 different data points, the borrower with the bank or funding institution that's most likely to provide capital and say yes and get that approval. And then we have coming Freedom Life that allows our clients to secure their legacy. So you'll see here, it kind of runs the gamut from A to Z. If it is a financial tool or resource that a modern American needs, FreedomPath has it. And we've built that technology, and we allow people just like you to become an independent broker and start your own fintech business without having to go and say, hey, I'm going to spend millions of dollars on research and go through all the regulatory hurdles. We give you all of the tools, training, and support you need to succeed, and we make it very easy to succeed. You just have to do 3 things. Let people know what you do, direct them to your website, and help them get signed up for the product or service that they need. And that's it. Doesn't matter where you're at on your financial journey, you have the ability, and I would say more, a moral obligation, to help those around you in your community, at your church, at your school, at your workplace, in your family. Now, we have a very low barrier to entry to start your own financial services company. It's $129 to start and $49 a month for the support systems that are in place for you as a broker to be able to go out and sell your software. I mean, if you look at fintech and you look at software, these are 2 of the hottest industries, and you have the opportunity to start your own business for less than $150. I've been an entrepreneur since I was 15 years old. And even when I was 15 and I was going door to door, trying to get people to let me mow their lawns, I still had to spend $300-$400 on a lawnmower. I was spending a lot more than $50 a month in gas. Now, right now, we have something really crazy going on here at FreedomPath. We want to provide the maximum amount of opportunity to Americans as possible. So right now, you're on this page, and we're talking about the 14 Days to Freedom Challenge. You actually get to come in, start your FreedomPath business for $0 for 14 days. You get to come in and begin a challenge where you're going to go through something that we call Broker U, our Broker University, and you're going to be able to get certified at no cost to you as a FreedomPath financial coach. You're going to go step by step through the training and learn everything that you have to know to be successful in this business, and it doesn't cost you anything for 14 days. Talk about a risk-free value proposition. Now, there's probably some of you on this call right now are saying, okay, well, financial technology is great, but how do I get paid off of somebody else's apps, somebody else's technology, somebody else's services? No. You've got it all wrong. It's your business. And we have monetized your business in 5 different ways for you to get paid in your fintech business. And let's break them down, starting with direct bonuses and commissions. Guys, this is your personal sales income. So for every new customer activation, whether that be on a Freedom Life or a Freedom Health or a Freedom Wealth membership, doesn't matter. Maybe even a Freedom Funding. Maybe you book a loan for a client. Commercial lending is blowing up. You get paid 40%. This commission is paid out weekly. You get paid 40% of commissionable revenue for new client services. So if you have a Freedom Funding deal, and that Freedom Funding deal has $10,000 in commissionable revenue, you're going to make 40% of it. Pause for dramatic effect here. Guys, that's $4,000 just off of one client. Now, my favorite word in the English language is residual. Residual means doing something once and getting paid for it every single month in perpetuity. You get paid 30% of monthly commissionable revenue earned on all Build products. So any memberships like Freedom Wealth or Freedom Business Credit Academy, those products, guys, you're getting paid 30% every single month. And this is also paid weekly, but it's a monthly commission that you are earning, and it's residual. Do something once and get paid on it forever. That's how the rich get rich. I promise you that. So that's our first 2 out of 5 ways that you get paid in your fintech business. But now something really exciting is our customer activation bonuses. Customer activation bonuses are earned when you activate multiple clients or multiple products in one given weekly cycle. So for instance, back when we were talking about all the different products, you might have seen on that slide that it said underneath those products, product points. Well, what does that mean? So if you earn 10 product points in a week, you're going to get a $500 bonus. Now, if you do that every single week, well, guys, I mean, that's $2,000 a month, but it doesn't stop there. Now, let's say you get 20 product points in a week. That's $2,500. Now, do that 4 times in a month, and you've just changed your life with $10,000 in commission in your pocket in a month by doing what? By helping people get access to the financial tools, resources, services, and education that they already need. And we're really excited about our customer activation bonus platform because these CAB cycles are unlimited. That's right. Let's say by Wednesday, you've already smacked out 20 product points and you've got a busy week of people that are asking you for help with life and with health and with their credit. Well, guess what? That number will reset in that weekly cycle and you could hit an unlimited amount of CABs based on your product point productions in 1 week. Conceivably, guys, and it's been done before, and I'm sure it'll be done again, you can have people hitting multiple $2,500 bonuses in 1 week just for helping people with things that they actively need help for. Now, for those of you who want to take your business to the next step, here at FreedomPath, we leverage the broker model. Now, the broker model, just like real estate or insurance, allows you to go out and find and partner with sub-agents in your agency. So imagine here, if you will, and you'll see this little map here, that you had agencies that you had helped build their FreedomPath business all across the country. And each one of them is earning $2,500 a month in commissions. Well, you earn up to 20% of your team's commission as an override bonus. So each one of these people's worth $500 to you. So that guy in North Carolina, that's $500. Your friend in Georgia, that's $500. Your cousin in Dallas, that's $500. And then your sister in Phoenix, that's $500. Guys, $500 just to manage and lead a team. It is an incredible opportunity, again, just like real estate or insurance, to build and scale your own brokerage of financial services and financial technology. And then lastly, we have what we call a monthly infinity growth bonus. So this is the fifth way in the compensation plan that you get paid. As your business grows and you begin to accumulate points, not just from you, but from your team as well, at an infinite level, you can have as big a team as you want, but as the portfolio accumulates points, you begin to earn this monthly bonus. So look at this, guys, at 1,200 total points. That's pretty life-changing money, guys. That's an $8,000 bonus every single month just for you growing your business in your portfolio. $8,000 on top of any customer activation bonuses that you've earned, your activation commissions, your residual commissions, your team overrides. Guys, we have the strongest and most lucrative compensation plan in the industry, and we make it so easy for you to succeed during this 14-day challenge. And our goal here is to get you through this 14-day challenge certified with zero cost out of pocket, where you're going to learn things like Freedom Health and what it is and who it helps. You're going to learn things like Freedom Wealth and credit restoration and how to talk to people about their credit and what they can do with it. You're going to learn things about Freedom Funding and how to become a certified funding specialist for businesses, and how to talk to small business owners and startup founders about funding their business. And you're also going to learn how to talk to other people to give them an opportunity to start their own business. Again, for $0 out of pocket. Just takes 14 days to go through and get certified. Now, you don't have to know everything about financial technology or financial services, because it's your business on your terms. You're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. We have a pretty awesome network of individuals who right now are highly successful in their business. But they were, when they were on a webinar sitting here, just like you're sitting here today, they were probably saying to themselves, well, I have no idea. This is not what I do. I work at a grocery store. Don't worry about it. We have dedicated broker trainings and an event calendar in your back office, both virtual and in person. So many professional networking opportunities with a national footprint. There's pretty much a FreedomPath broker or advisor on every corner in America. So you're going to instantly tap into a network of success and start to be able to leverage that shared knowledge and experience. Guys, this is a weekly pay opportunity. Most companies out there, they're paying monthly or bi-weekly. You get paid weekly on your pay, and then monthly bonuses. Again, high growth opportunity. It's a very unique entrepreneurial approach to a problem that has existed since the dawn of time. It is a flexible business. You can work as many or as little hours as you want from anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection. You don't have to go out and do any of the marketing and build a website. None of that, guys. We give you everything. Co-branded website, all your training and certifications. We have recognition trips. As right now, we're running our spring sail away cruise recognition challenge, travel incentives. We have a convention, national convention. As a matter of fact, our national convention is coming up here in just a couple days in Atlanta, Georgia. And most importantly, guys, it is a willable, sellable, transferable business. So typically by the time in this webinar where we get to this slide, there's three types of people that are not interested, but you know someone who might be. So I will encourage you to reach back out to your friend or associate or acquaintance that sent you to this page to view this very special webinar. and tell them, hey, you know what? I'm not interested in this. I just don't have the time. I don't believe in myself, whatever the case may be, but I know someone who might be. Maybe you're a type B personality where you're interested, but you still have questions. Again, I want to redirect you back to the person whose website you're viewing this on. They're happy to help answer those questions. There's no right or wrong answer. They're here to help. That's what FreedomPath is all about. Or if you're a type C personality like me and you're ready to take action and get your business started, then right here on this page where you're watching this webinar, you're going to click that button that says get started with my 14-day challenge. That button will walk you through getting enrolled, getting into your back office, and getting into BrokerU so you can start learning. Guys, it is a risk-free value proposition. You can cancel at any time. How or what do you have to lose by going in and learning a new tangible skill and about an entirely new to you opportunity to create an awesome income while creating a magnificent impact? I look forward to meeting each and every one of you guys and helping you. And again, thank you so much for your time tonight. I really enjoyed it. Go get started. Go have an impact. And this, guys, this is what freedom truly looks like. Everybody have a great evening.